Hi everyone. I'm here with a suggestion for another television series that deserves a reboot. You've heard of this television series called Sonic Boom. Sonic Boom is a 3D CGI animated sitcom based on the Sonic the Hedgehog franchise, airing from 2014 to 2017 to 2017 on Cartoon Network, featuring Sonic and his friends Tails, Knuckles, Amy, and new character Styx in comedic action adventure stories against Dr. Eggman. It's part of a larger spin-off franchise that includes video games and comics, known for its distinct character redesigns, humor, and episodic format, and was the first Sonic series produced in high definition CGI. This television series is a real classic, and I believe it deserves a reboot. I recommend you talk to people about it in person: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Reddit, Skype, TikTok, Fandango, Screen Rant, comic book resources, and video chat with people about it. Bye for now. Until next time, I think of another television series that deserves a reboot. Please remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share my videos on social media and share via messaging and email too. Don't forget to check out my playlists